Hi everyone, I am Shruti, pursuing second year BA Computer Science at SNS College of Engineering. Today I am here to present my PPT on the topic Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Based Learning merged with stack concept in data structures. First of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a part of computer science working with the help of machines. But here machines work in an intelligent way just like humans, and machine learning is the core of artificial intelligence. What is data structure? It is a programmatic way of storing data so that the data can be used efficiently. Almost every enterprise application uses various types of data structures in one or other way. It plays a vital role in the performance of software or program, as the main function of the software is to store and retrieve the user's data as fast as possible. Stack concept in data structure. Generally, stack is last in first out collection. This means that the last thing we added is the first thing that gets pushed off. A stack is a sequence of items that are accessible at only one end of the sequence. These are some of the common operations implemented on stack. The first one is push, second one is pop, third is empty, and is full. When we insert an element in a stack, then the operation is known as a push. If the stack is full, then the overflow condition occurs. When we delete an element from the stack, the operation is known as pop. If the stack is empty, means that no element exists in the stack. This state is known as underflow state. It determines whether the stack is empty or not. This is known as is empty. Then it determines whether the stack is full or not. It is full. Why artificial intelligence and data science is important nowadays? Artificial intelligence is important because it enables human capabilities, understanding, reasoning, planning, communication and perception to be undertaken by the software increasingly, effectively, efficiently and at low cost. General analytical tasks including finding patterns in data that have been performed by the software for many years can also be performed more effectively using artificial intelligence. Coming to the application of stack in artificial intelligence and data science. Stack is generally used for balancing a symbol. For example, the program mentioned in the given slide. Stack is also used for reversing a string. For example, we want to reverse a Java T-point string in the given example, so we can achieve this with the help of stack. It can also be used by performing undo and redo operations. For example, we have an editor in which we write A, then B and then C. Therefore, the text written in an editor is A, B and C. Depth first search is implemented on graph and it uses the stack data structure. Suppose we have to create a path to solve the maze problem. If we are moving in a particular path and we realize that we come on the wrong way, in order to come at the beginning of the path to create a new path, we have to use the stack data structure. Stack can also be used for expression conversion. This is one of the most important application of stack. The list of expression conversion is given. The stack manages the memory. The memory is assigned in a contiguous memory blocks. The memory is also known as stack memory, as all the variables are assigned in a function called stack memory. These are some of the references used for this PPT, and thank you.